Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about growth hacking tools for customer acquisition. Now, acquisition is the very first step in lean growth hacking marketing funnel. And the very first one is I'm going to talk about is Optinmonster. So now, as you can see, optinmonster.com, I am on their website, and it is called an exit intent technology. That means it detects when visitors are about to leave your website, so you can grab their attention with a targeted offer or message or a lead magnet. That means I went to the website and I opened the website. As soon as I hover my mouse outside the landing page, just like this message has popped up. So I've already done this. I just wanted to show you what the message is about. And the message is obviously it's called exit intent pop-up, and in the it gives the user a little bit of more information. For example, in this, it is giving like instantly boost leads, revenue, and monetize your traffic. Now, if I click this, it will basically take me to fill a form. That means, and then it will be, filling a form which I have to fill in with email address or my full name, which will be then recorded, and then it will be acquired in the system. Okay. Now, Monster exit intent is one of the most important ones for customer acquisition. And it has been proven that 56% of abandoning visitors, that means people who come onto the website and they just try to go outside the website, and the pop-up or the message which you design, it comes up, 56% of the abandoning visitors are turned into subscribers and customers. Okay, so I'm just going to click onto the on the side, and then it will vanish. Now, if I go back, it will not let me see the same pop-up. It only happened once, because otherwise it will be very distracting for the visitor, which I've already done that in the before opening the video. Now, let's talk about a little bit about this. It has the very high rate of boosting leads and revenue, and you can use this for your own website. Okay. The second growth hacking tool I'm going to talk about, and I'm sure that everyone will be familiar with, is called Mailchimp. Now, email marketing is a core growth hacking strategy, and it gives almost 40% of the return of each dollar spent by research. Okay. Now, Mailchimp is one of the a very huge platform for email marketing. You can have a free account, and if we go on to the pricing section, you can actually send you can have 2,000 subscribers, and you can send 12,000 emails in a month. That means with those 2,000 subscribers, if you have, you can send them 6 times those emails, and then you can obviously do email marketing through Mailchimp. Okay. It is very simple, straightforward. You can sign up for free, and you can just create an account and then start using Mailchimp as a free account. So this is the second tool for growth hacking for acquisition. The third one, which I want to actually highlight, is called Manychat.com. Okay. Manychat.com is it's a Facebook Messenger bot, and it gives the monitoring your Facebook messages for your business, and which will then obviously auto respond to those comments or on your Facebook page. For example, if you have a lot of comments or a lot of engagement happening on your Facebook page, you can actually link your Facebook page, and then the Autobot or the Manychat bot will auto reply to those messages. Okay, so even it will work 24 hours. So I'm sure that even if you're sleeping, those messages will go. Now this boosts the acquisition, because as soon if I go onto your Facebook page, and if I'm engaging late at night, or if I'm outside your country and there's a time difference, and I'm onto your Facebook page, if I get the reply as soon as possible, it is quite evident that I will fall into, or I will be acquired by this technique, and I will go into the lean growth hacking marketing funnel. Okay, let's have a look at this a little bit, so you know about Manychat a little bit more in detail. Now Manychat lets you create a Facebook Messenger bot for marketing, sales, and support. It's easy and it's free, so you can create an account for free. And then once you connect your Facebook page, as I said, you can connect your Facebook account, and you just have to sign up with Facebook, and your Facebook page will be connected. The pricing goes in like this. So in free account, you can have unlimited broadcast. Broadcast is something that, like you send emails, broadcast is something that you send messages. Now you can be sending messages to those people who have been using the bots, or you have been acquired by the bots. Those are called broadcast. You can even hover the mouse and you can read about the broadcast as well. Broadcast are messages you can send to all of your subscribers at once, which is actually a good technique because messages are more, more valuable, as in sense people will read messages first, then they will read the email. Okay. Second is that you can actually send sequences. That means over a period of time, you can set like an autoresponder messages, and then you can send those messages once you have broadcast. Okay. They have 4 growth tools free, including Facebook comments. As I said, you can automatically will reply and auto respond to those comments. The growth tools, which includes not even just the Facebook, you can actually use that on your websites, you can use it on Facebook ads, physical promo materials, and more. Okay, do try it out because it's a brilliant tool. And this is obviously one of the tool which increase or is part of growth hacking lean marketing funnel for acquisition. Okay, so the 3 tools, Optinmonster, which is the exit intent strategy to acquire people who are abandoning your website, or you're going away from the website. Mailchimp for your email marketing. You can create sign-up forms very easily, create a free account and send messages, emails, and then you can send that 12,000 emails every month absolutely free. The third one is Manychat, which is a Facebook Messenger bot, or rather Messenger bot. You can have it on your website, and then it will auto reply to all your messages even while you are at sleep. Okay, do try it out, these 3 tools for acquisition. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.